Okay, so this is the main setup of the EasyFX online platform. So I'm just going to run through this very briefly, just give you a main outline of what things are, and then in separate videos we'll actually tell you how to make a trade, add beneficiaries, and several of the other special functions that the platform offers. But firstly, if you just run through the tabs on the left hand side, here we've got dealer. This is just an option to make a very simple trade. You've just got a drop down menu, select the currency you need to buy and the amount, and then to make a trade click rate. Now obviously I'm going to reject that. Then below that we have Dealer Plus. Now this gives you information about further information about the market, so you can actually see the market depth, how the currency has fluctuated, and these are live rates streaming in. So as you can see, the euro has strengthened by 0.25% against the Japanese yen, and you can actually see that on a chart as well. So it's quite a nice chart functionality here. See, it's quite fluctuating up and down. Range of different currencies, so major currency pairs, minor. There's things like the Norwegian kroner, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and below that exotic FX. So that's your South African rand is here, and Israeli shekel, Polish zloty, etc., etc. So there's a whole range of different currencies that you can order online. And if there's a currency that you need and it's not displayed, call the office and we can probably do it for you over the phone. Below that is the accounts functions. This is where you run everything. So balances, you can see there, I've got a small balance in sterling. But if you had a balance in euros, dollars, and any of the other currencies that we provide, you will be able to see that there. You can also request details. Here it gives you further info of what's available. And you can also request a statement. Now, previously I had a balance in US dollars, but obviously you can't see that now. So just one useful function, if you want to see some details about a currency that you used to have a balance in, click here, show all, and there we go, you can see US dollars. So if I request my statement, change the date, there we go, so there's some trades that I've done. Below balances you can see the trades function, so that's the last trade that I've done. As you can see, I sold 150 euros into sterling. Orders, if you place any orders, forwards, I haven't got any on. Payments, I made a payment, the last payment I sent. Paylist, I haven't set that up. And import paylist, you can actually import a file so you don't have to keep on typing in and out. Below that you've got the admin section. So beneficiaries, these are all the people that I've paid and the respective currency. Below that, currency cards is my currency card. This is where I manage it from, so as you can see it's active there. I can reset the PIN, I can change the PIN. If it was blocked for whatever reason I can unblock it, or if I've lost it I can block it from there. Debit cards, I can pay with my debit card, and these are 2 debit cards I've got on file. Below that, details, address, and then below that, settlement. So this is all our bank account details. So if I was to having to pay VFX sterling for a trade, that's the bank account details of where I need to send the funds, and then log off, obviously below the log off function.